The final shots of this horror film are really critical to the resolution of this story. So right here we see the close-up of the last remaining egg on the right, as well as two of his corpse friends. One of them we see the egg cells is really crushed, and the other one has X's over his eyes. We had overhead lighting on here to kind of symbolize he is in the spotlight and he's being targeted. And he has a distressed look on his face. This close-up really enhances the details, and we see the facial expressions. In this shot here, it's from the egg's point of view, the last remaining egg. We see his eye in the left-hand corner. We only see partial of his face, as well as only the jagged edges of the eggs. This creates a sense of uncertainty, disconnect, and mystery, as well as an element of fear. We're not entirely sure what is going on in the whole picture. We also see that bright light in the top corner, and it's shadowed on the crust of the eggs, again adding to that we only see half of what's going on. In this shot, we get a clear view of some of our surroundings, as well as the woman who is essentially the killer in this film. We're looking directly at her, at the perpetrator of all these egg deaths, essentially. The egg carton closes, which the egg is now in a environment of claustrophobic environment, and he feels trapped. And when she walks him to the fridge, we see her open the door and put him in the fridge, again enclosing him in a tight space that is cold. He has no way out. He's trapped there with these remnants of his friends. As the light goes out, we also get a sense of fear because everything scary happens in the dark, and he's stuck in an egg carton with his dead friends. For the credits, we decided to do a white background, kind of with grains in the back. It looks like an egg carton, as well as this faded, flickering, eerie background that adds to the whole horror genre. We're playing our theme song just to wrap it up in a happy tone, even though it's really scary. And that's the end of our film.